prepare. I think bekuba u-6 ekuseni mangifonela angitshela ukuthi abhuti wami akasekho emhlabeni. Salwa naye nosisi wami, saluma wami. Udlala indima enkulu kakhulu kumina. Nawo amandla but bebona kumina ukuthi kuna something engakwazi ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngishintshe ikhaya ukuthi kube right because mina naye noma nginayo kababa ikhaya lababa wami bekhona osisi bami nami nabanye but emakhaya la khona eMzumbe lade ngishiya mina naye ngasho ukuthi ithina abantu esibheka ikhaya. So bhuti wami njengoba ngade ngisho ukuthi ubonile yena ukuthi ngingakwazi mina ukuphusha ngethande lami lebhola ngiphe uNkulunkulu sikwazi ukuthi sishintshe ikhaya yonke into ibe right. So ngazo zonke isikhathi uyangikhuthaza ongikhayi support noma ngadlala kahle uyakwazi ukuzwa kumina athi hayi bafa awudlalanga kahle lapha yini inkinga bekumele ngakwenze kanje angiguide lapha ngadvise bangalula but ke bhuti wami yona yonke into angitshela ukuthi hayi ndoda kunzima ngiyazi but impilo yaqhubeka kumele ubekeze yabo uzoqhamuka nokuthi wenza kanjani uyabuya uze ekhaya uyaqhubeka uyadlala but ke akhuluma nobhuti wami ngamtshela ukuthi hayi bafa ngiyacela mfethu ukuthi umngcwabo uhlehle ube Sunday ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyodlala ngidlalela ubhuti wami nami emvayelize because of ibhola nabo elithanda bengisupporta kakhulu.
I think with Sihle, he's a happy guy, man. Even when things are not going well, you won't see him worried. So I think with him, we spoke maybe before the game because I was playing with him also in the middle. Maybe the day before the game, we spoke, hey, how do you feel? What? I was Mzulu, pendula Mzulu, endota mina ngisemsebenzini. Leyo ngizoyibona after. And I think he's a strong character also, but that I think it didn't affect him that much because with the game that he played very well.
Yeah, ngazama ukudlala ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi nami ngidlalela ubhuti wami ngoba engasekho emvayelisa ngaleyo ndlela ngizokwazi ukumvayelisa ngayo. Akwenza ngamandla ami sakwazi ukuthi sinqobe sikwazi ukuthi siwine igame sidlulile kwesinye stage. So nje inhliziyo yami yajabula kakhulu lezo sikhathi lezo ukuthi siwinile but mayiphela igame kodwa ngekhaya yabuya